Okay, she's calling him. Whenever he's ready, let him go. Yep. Come on. Yeah, that's looking good. Yeah. Got it. Sweet.
Life-threatening white landing for a bird like this. Now we've got
Colton. Good to meet you, Colton. So Colton has been over here helping us keep the gate clear, make sure nobody gets through. But he has volunteered to do something. Colton, you know what he volunteered to do? Hold a birdie fence. Yeah. You remember what Harris Falls like to eat? Rabbits, right? And you're going to be a rabbit for the next Christmas. When we catch the rabbit, all you have to do is let go of the string and come back to us, okay? Sound good? Alright, so everybody wish Colton good luck. Anybody who wants to say goodbye to you, this is a great opportunity for you to do that. Are you ready? On your marks, get set, good. Alright, here he comes. One tip ball. There's already a hawk on the way. Oh! A dead rabbit. Now you'll notice right away. Let's first of all give Colton a big round of applause. Notice right away.